Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. ChatGPT, or AI, it is taking over the world. Everything is now going to start integrating ChatGPT, and I mean almost literally everything. And ChatGPT is coming for your job. And if it's not ChatGPT, then another product much like ChatGPT is coming for your job. In what way, Chris? You might ask. Well, if you're not asking, you should ask, especially if you have to get a job that involves, let's say, routine tasks, something that you might do repetitively over and over and over again. And right now it takes a human being, but pretty soon ChatGPT could take over those routine tasks. What does that leave you to do? Well, not that job. ChatGPT is going to do it. Also, time-intensive tasks, something that would normally take you 5 hours, ChatGPT might be able to figure out in like that. I mean, whatever that was, like a microsecond, however long it takes to process the text. So everything that you might be doing today, you think you could be irreplaceable. I'm telling you, even if it's not this version of ChatGPT, a future iteration of it or something else is coming for your job. And I'm not trying to say the sky is falling, but I'm telling you, the sky is, it's literally, it's on my lap right now. You can't see it because the camera is not going to pan down that way. The third way it's going to replace your job is because of expertise. It may not know everything. It may fudge some details, but it's getting smarter, and it is getting smarter and smarter as though it was living right now. I don't think we've reached that level yet, but the expertise that it is able to surface that would normally take an amount of time for you to process and do, it's doing it all. It's doing your job now.